Okay guys, welcome to the fifth tutorial where we will work on displaying these notes that we have created. And what I'll do is I'll just go in here and maybe create an adapter here in the UI folder, I guess. Yeah, in the UI folder, let's just create an adapter package. So yeah, okay, what I'll do here is I'll just name this as notes adapter. What I'll do here is I'll just create this and also extend it to recycler view dot adapter, and obviously we have to import it. And at the same time I'll just create a class my holder, and this also will have a constructor, and this extends view holder. Okay, so now what I'll do here is I'll just go in here and pass my holder. Okay, and now we'll just implement its methods because we have done this really beautifully. We have like step by step implemented everything. Okay, yeah, now that error will go away. So what we have to do is, because we are using data binding, then we have to not only like find view of the list that we are going to display of the nodes, but we have to inflate it. So there is a difference between uh, hooking the views and inflating, and inflating is the more latest. So got it. What I'll do here is let me just go back to I have to replace this because I did not create any fragment folders, so this is just extra because I don't want any errors. Okay, create note, where is the, yeah, I have only UI folder. So okay, got it. We are going back to our, and this one can have a notes list because we are going to display through this adapter. Oh no, I don't know why it's showing me some kind of errors. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll just while binding notes list item binding, because this list item is also using data binding, right? So okay, list item binding is equals to data binding utils inflate layout inflator that we have to create, and I did not create it, I'm sorry. From parent.context. Okay, good. Layout is notes. Okay, we have to import this R first. Okay, layout, notes list item, parent false, and return my holder with binding Okay, the reason this is going to give us an error because my holder does not have any such parameters, so we have to do the same here. Okay, and here with what we'll do is what I'll do here is binding dot root, so that all the errors are gone here. And what I'll do here is pretty much going great. Okay, so simply nodes list size, whatever the values or whatever the number of nodes are present in the list, we can display it. And I'll just create one method so what we are going to do is hook the views with the help of data binding. Node title text is going to be nodes.title with the help of data binding. So okay, so here we have nodes subtitle, node subtitle, nodes, node text, or maybe just text. I think I have to see the view name. It's okay, yeah, we are not displaying the text, we are just displaying title and subtitle on the home fragment, so that is why. And also to implement the on-click listener capabilities, we'll just leave it here. I'll just tell you where did this come from. What I'll do is I'll just go to home fragment and you will see that this uh, this note list item has the parent has this ID, because we can click anywhere and we have to go to our desired note location if we click on our list item. So this is, we'll do that. And what I'll just do is I'll just come in here, holder dot bind the views nodes list position. Now this can be a little bit complicated, but if you see here, this is expecting, this method is expecting the nodes object, right? And if we simply pass the list, it's not expecting the list, but this node object, if we pass it with the position, then it will give us the access to the node's title. So let's see if the position is 1. Okay, for example, if the position is 1, then on one position whatever the node title is and the subtitle is going to be displayed. This is what is basically happening. So what I'll do here is I think we are pretty much done with our adapter, and what I'll just simply do is I'll just go to the home fragment. I will initialize my fragment, initialize my adapter. And what I'll just do here is also initialize my I think let's just do this. Binding dot recycler view layout manager, we want to display in grid layout, and we want the column, it should have like 2 columns, you can say. So this is good. And yeah, adapter is going to be my adapter, no, nodes adapter. and this is expecting a list in here, right? So what I'll do is I'll just get the view model and maybe just use this method simply here and put my adapter inside, and here we are already getting a list because we are observing it from the view model. And simply what we'll do is we'll come in here, binding dot recycler view dot set adapter, and we'll just put it like that. So I'll just run the app and see if everything is working as expected. And feel free to add more nodes because we have already added one node, I think, in our app. So we might just get one node's view. Okay guys, our app is launched, and okay, so moment of truth. Okay, it has crashed on the moment of truth for some reason. Let's see why it's crashing. Let me see. Okay, I'll just delete this. Why is it crashing? Just rerun it. I might be able to see the error. Okay, we'll just close the app and see if we can locate the error. Run it again, maybe, because I cannot see the error here. Okay, let me just put it on side and see what's wrong. A lot of unnecessary text. Okay, yeah, here we are. So the error somewhat we can see here, it says file error inflating class fragment, unable to start it. Okay, the error is not too big, but there is some kind of error inflating class fragment. Okay, the adapter has not been initialized. So what I have to do is maybe create a dummy list and put it in here, right? So we can get rid of this error because the adapter has to be initialized. Okay, nodes adapter, and just create a dummy list. Okay, that's good. And I'll just put it here, and we'll maybe rerun the app and see if our error goes away. So we are waiting. Okay, so our app has launched successfully, but we don't see any note. So let me just try again. Trying my note, trying subtitle, trying text. Okay, so this is not displaying. Maybe what I'll just do is I'll just put this code in here, above here. Maybe get rid of this and now see if we see a little different result. Yeah, there is some error, but we'll fix this. Maybe there is some error of the list, or maybe like initializing error, but we can get around it very soon. We'll try to bring this adapter in here. Now maybe let's try once again. Okay, so the only problem was the place of where I was attaching the adapter, but you see it's working. Now in the next tutorial we will work on the click listener. Okay, so thank you for watching.